Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video we're going to do another Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette look, and this is the look I'm talking about. So yeah, this is just a one palette tutorial, so I'm not going to use any other palettes to create this makeup look. So yeah, if you like this look, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids and now I'm going to set them using the tempera color in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, and now it's time to start. So I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush and I'm going in with this color Golden Ochre. And I'm going to start to build the crease. So look at the angle of my brush. I'm going like this rather than like this. It's much better. And I'm using a big fluffy brush to begin with. Adding a little product. Okay, the next color is this burnt orange and I'm using the same brush and I'm applying that shade underneath the previous one, so the wider crease area. Okay, so I'm switching to this brush. This is the Sigma eye shading brush E55 and I'm taking the color Real Gar and I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Like this. Into the crease a little bit. Okay, so I want to deepen up the outer V a little bit more, so I'm taking this color Red Ochre and I'm just going to apply it in the outer part. Like that. And I'm going to blend it out with the other brush. Okay, I'm deepening the outer part even more, so I'm using this very small brush and the Cypress Umber shade, that's the dark brown shade, and I'm just going to apply a small amount. Just like that, and I'm going to blend it out. Okay, it's time for the lower lash line and I'm starting with the Golden Ochre and this fluffy blending brush. I'm taking a smaller brush and the burnt orange shade. And now I'm going to take a really small, densely packed brush, and I'm using the shade Real Gar, and I'm going to apply it just beneath my lower lash line. And a little bit of red ochre in my lashes. I'm happy how that looks. Now I'm going to carve my brows using this MAC concealer. Now I'm going to highlight using the Primavera color. Okay, so I'm going to apply some eyeliner and lashes off camera, and I will be right back. And this is the final look. I really hope you like it. I really love it, and if you do, leave me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week and I really hope to see you again soon. So until then, bye!